Hi, in this video I will show you an interesting and useful feature in Plasticity. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe. Sometimes, based on the edges of a solid, I need to create 2D geometry, and in Plasticity we can do this easily. Let's select the edges of this face. I switch to Edge Selection, press the 2 key on the keyboard, and now, holding the Shift key, I sequentially select the edges of this face. I have selected 4 edges, and now, based on these edges, I would like to create 2D geometry. To do this, I press the keyboard shortcut Shift+D, and based on the selection, 2D geometry has been created. The Move command has been activated, but I would like to leave the geometry in this location. I click OK, and in this way, based on the edges of the solid, we have created 2D geometry. As for edge selection of the solid, we can make it easier. I will switch to face selection, press the 3 key on the keyboard, select this face, and now I would like to convert this selection to edge selection. To do this, I press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+2. The face selection has been changed to edge selection, and now I can press the keyboard shortcut Shift+D to create 2D geometry based on this selection. However, I will show you which command is responsible for this. I press the F key on the keyboard, and this is the duplicate command. This command, as I mentioned, can be activated using the keyboard shortcut Shift+D, or we can simply select this command from the command list. And just like before, 2D geometry has been created based on the edges of the solid. The Move command is also active. We can move this geometry, or we can press cancel so that this geometry stays here, and this is how we can simply create 2D geometry based on the edges of a solid. We will finish here. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.